learning, laughing, and little adventures with Cool Kids. This is Eli. He's an elephant with the world's loudest sneeze. Ah, choo, soo. Eli sneezed loudly. One day at the jungle fair, Eli saw a red balloon. Oh, shiny, wait. Ah, choo, Eli exclaimed and sneezed again. We have a winner, shouted the monkey judge. Eli didn't even know he entered the contest, but now he's jungle fair champion. Do I get a crown or just more tissues? Eli asked. Big sneezes, bigger fun, only on Cool Kids. Like, follow and tell a friend who sneezes like a volcano.